everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are just joining me, I'm Javeness, and here we do and talk planty things. So if that interests you, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos. And today's garden topic is humidifiers. So currently in this room alone holds over 100 plants, and if you're anything like me and are completely devoted to keeping your plants happy, healthy, and thriving, you're going to want a humidifier for your plants. But it's also something that you can benefit from as well. Today for this video, I have partnered up with Elechomes, a company that not only offers humidifiers, but they also carry air purifiers and an array of kitchen appliances and even bottle warmers and sterilizers for all you moms out there. So let's get to this unboxing, but before I begin, I just wanted to mention that all of the information and links to this specific humidifier can be found in the description box below. I also have a code that you guys can use to receive 20% off, so be sure to stay tuned for that. So this is the Elechomes Ultrasonic and Cool Mist Humidifier with a 5.5 capacity, ideal for large rooms and in my case, my plant room. This unit comes in black, so if white isn't your vibe, you do have another option. This humidifier also comes with a remote, and it is a top filling humidifier, which I live for because it makes refilling this unit so easy. Now that I've got the humidifier set up, I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. I absolutely love that this humidifier is top loading. It also has an easy handle to lift the water reservoir. Also, as a tip, be sure to use filtered or distilled water. It's easier on the humidifier as tap water can be hard and oftentimes contains certain minerals. All right, let's go over a couple of these settings that you will see here displayed on the front. When you plug in your humidifier, the LED screen will read the current ambient humidity in the room, as it does have a sensor located in the back. My current humidity level is at 45%. Now let's turn on the unit. The humidifier has 3 cool mist settings, as well as 3 warm mist settings, which is perfect for houseplants as the warm mist will help to increase the humidity levels at a faster rate. One of the features that I am really excited about is the timer and auto set humidity setting. This one has a 12 timer option, which really makes it convenient. So here is the auto set feature. Just set it to the desired humidity level that you want in your room, and once it reaches that, it will automatically turn off. Just to mention, the ideal level for most common houseplants and people is between 50 and 60. However, there are some plants in my collection that really benefit from higher humidity, so I have mine set to 65. The next setting is the on and off feature for the LED screen. This allows you to turn off the LED display, which is a great feature to have if you are using this humidifier in your bedroom and you don't want the glow of an LED light on at night. There is also a sleep mode button. This is a feature that also silences the button sound and turns off the LED light as well. One feature that this humidifier doesn't have that you probably already noticed is that it doesn't have a cleared tank reservoir like some of the other ones you find out on the market. So you might be wondering, how will you know that your humidifier actually needs a refill? The LED screen will display when your humidifier is low on water. When you see this icon, the humidifier will automatically turn off. Then all you have to do is refill the tank and it will operate as normal. So with this humidifier not having a clear reservoir, it really doesn't make a whole lot of difference because the LED screen will display when it needs a refill. There are so many great features on this humidifier, but the best feature that I love about this humidifier is that it is a top loading humidifier. No more filling up heavy reservoir tanks and flipping it upside down and carrying it back to the base. I just fill my Brita pitcher up with water and refill the humidifier with so much ease. It also has a 365-degree rotating nozzle, which can be pointed simultaneously in one direction, or if you want, you can split it up into 2 directions. There's also an essential oil feature that you can use in tandem with the humidifier, which is actually a great feature. I highly recommend this humidifier for you plant lovers out there. Your plants will thank you, and you too will enjoy having this humidifier in your home. Also, be sure to use this code to receive 20% off your purchase. All of the links and information will be in the description box below. And just to note, if you are an Amazon Prime, you will also get free 2-day shipping. Well guys, there you have it, and a special thanks to Elechomes. I'm definitely going to get me a second one of these to put in my bedroom. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment in the space below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. When I am not shooting videos, I am taking pictures, as there is always something new growing. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!